Hi guys, this is on Hamad Hospital view down because I'm here now on the 7th floor of Hamad Hospital, guys. So I want to show you what if you see downstairs. This is now in Doha, Qatar, guys. So very nice, very quiet, very clean place. If you want to come here for work or vacation, this is a good place for you guys. And we will welcome you here in Doha, Qatar. This is only one place, town of Hamad Hospital. It's very nice, guys. See, this is the road. It's very clean. Very smooth. This is all building and parking area around the hospital, guys. And the weather now here is very nice. Time check is 7:30 morning. You will see the look. Take a look for the weather. The sky is very bright. And this is so guys, everyone, have a good day and have a blessed day. Good morning.